Hey guys, so this is the last video right now that I will be doing for this evening. I mean, I might possibly do a skincare video. It just depends as well because I know it's like late, and normally we do not eat this late for dinner, but it just happened, I guess. But this is my Lunar Beauty box that I just got in the mail yesterday. It was after work. So got a few things I'm kind of excited to try. If anyone has tried Lunar Beauty, I hope you guys like it. I've seen many people try it on and they love it. Oh my gosh, look at the packaging. It has little hearts. Do you guys see that? Oh my god. They're not little hearts. LB, that's Lunar Beauty. Oh my god, that's so cute. Okay, this is the first time I ever ordering anything. I follow Manny Mue on YouTube, and like my towel's like just like going away. I follow him on YouTube and I love him to death. He's so funny. I know he's gay, but I don't care. He's great. But alright, so this is I got it. As everything like falls. Like my life is not put together. Alright, so I decided to get one of his Fox Minx lashes. I'm still like practicing with lashes, so I don't want to like ruin everything, but I'm really excited. Like, look how cute this packaging is. Like, seriously, look how cute. Ooh, those are nice. And they're not like, they're dramatic looking, but they're not that dramatic. Like, seriously. And the band looks nice and small, which is nice. I kind of like that because I feel like whenever it's a heavy band, it's too heavy for my lash or for my eyeballs. But those look nice. Like, what do you guys think? Yeah? Oh man, I'm so excited. So excited. So exciting. I cannot wait. Cannot freaking wait to try these on. Alright. Let me drop that box. Alright. Alright, so I got 2 lippies through Lunar Beauty as well. A gloss and a liquid matte lipstick. And this is in Zaya and Aura. I'm excited. Alright, ooh, look at that. So pretty. I cannot wait to try it. I'm gonna, oh man, I really wanted, I should have just gone live earlier. Oh man, this is so nice. So nice. Oh man, I'm so excited. I'm so excited right now. I swear. Gonna open the box. Alright, and then this is his gloss. So the liquid mattes are like the black ombre, and then the white ombre is the gloss. This smells like cookies. And that's the gloss right there. It smells like sugar cookies. That's what they smell like. Sugar cookies. Cannot wait to try that. Alright, so I don't recall having a lot of like blush palettes, but I did get his blush palette. This is the Moon Prism Cheek Palette. Super cute packaging. Yeah. Really cute. I'm excited to try this as well. Has the plastic sheet, nice big mirror, and the colors. Oh man, I'm really digging these colors. Ooh, and they're nice. They're not like powdery, but they're really like nice and soft. Alright, I'm running out of room to do the swatchy swatches. Alright, so the first three colors on the top, the first one is called Pink Moon, right there. Second color is called Twilight, and the third color is called Spacey. That's pretty. I like that. This fourth color has like a shimmer color. Alright. Ooh, that's pretty. I like that. Alright, you guys. And then this color right here is called Solio. I don't know how to pronounce it. That one right there is called Stargaze, and then this one is called Gravity. And oh my gosh, that mirror is amazing. I like that. I'm excited. So excited to try that. Like, seriously. Alright, and then I got the two palettes. This is his newest one right here. And then, of course, this one is like, he likes Charmed, which, so do I. So I was like, oh man, I gotta get this. So this is how he literally, like, based this coat, like, this palette off of him. Charmed. So excited. Okay, so this one it's a pretty colorful one, which will definitely be out of my element, which I don't care. I'm going to try it anyway. But I'm gonna swatch a couple shades here. Ooh, that's really pretty. Yeah, yeah, this is definitely like based off of Charmed, because it has Prue, it has Piper, it has Phoebe, Paige, Sabrina. I think that's probably off of Sabrina the Teenage Witch, or all the witches that he can think of that he loves. Winifred, Sarah, Mary, Samantha, Kiki, Hermione, Bonnie, Marnie, Nancy, and Fiona. I'm gonna try Fiona. That's actually a really pretty color. I'm gonna try Samantha too, and I'm gonna try Prue. So I'm gonna just try 4 colors right now, because I'm going to eventually do a entire like try on very soon. Ooh, that's really pretty. Ooh, that too. Oh my gosh. So here are some 4 swatches that I had picked out. It is so pretty. I'm excited to try that. Cannot wait. Cannot freaking wait to try these. Cannot. The last color, which is called Prue, kind of is like a very glittery one, so just watch out for that, you guys, okay? I think, but other than that, I think you guys would like it. Alright, so the Eternal Eclipse. Oh, this one is called Moonspell, just so you guys know. Oh, I was about to throw away the box. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Super cute packaging. I'm gonna check on the chicken in a minute. Oh my gosh, I love this. So these ones are a little bit more cool tone and like neutrally colors. It comes with a big mirror, of course. I'm not going to do a lot. One thing I do not like about like people like making those cute little designs, it literally, I suck at swatching, you guys, I'm sorry. So here's some 4 shades that I had picked out that is really pretty. They're very pigmented, but the middle one has like all these really cute designs. I like it. It's very, I understand, like, you guys want to do something really cool for your products, but I just don't think it's very necessary, just because they're gonna disappear once you use them. But I'm excited. This is my first order with Lunar Beauty, and I cannot wait to do some try-ons. It's gonna be so much fun. Ooh, my hand is so glittery. Look at that. You guys can't see that, but oh, glitter up the wazoo. All right, you guys. So that is all for today. If I can do it or make it to, I might try to go and do a skincare video. The skincare video may not be just Farmasi products. It probably will be other products as well. So if you guys have any questions about the products that I unboxed or the products that I put on my face this evening, let me know. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.